Andre, last time we did this drag race,
Hot hatch versus Viper, I was in the Gulf R. In the first race, I lost, but the second race, well, let's show them. Oh, yeah.
Come on, Viper.
Modern technology at its best.
Come on, Viper. Oh my God, that Volkswagen's quick. Keep pulling. Stay with them.
Here we go. Bye-bye, Viper. And so sorry, Dodge.
Oh, by a nose. Well, by a car length or two, but that's actually pretty close.
That's interesting. So are you ready to lose to another hot hatch?
So I see you brought something very tiny, and what do you have, like 3 little gerbils running underneath your hood?
I brought the new GR Corolla, which is a 3-cylinder, puts out 300 horsepower, my man, and it's all-wheel drive.
Well, I am still in this 1994 first-gen Dodge Viper. I've got 8 liters of V10 goodness, 400 horsepower.
yeah, it sounds like there's a cement truck next to me.
It's good, Andre, I'll give you that, but here's the thing. You know what they say? They say a 5-cylinder sounds like a pissed-off 8-cylinder. Well, a 3-cylinder sounds like a hangry 5-cylinder.
I've never heard this before, but you know what else? There's no replacement for displacement.
Well, that's what the cement guys say in their cement trucks. I'm just a little worried because with all-wheel drive, this thing gets bogged down really easily, but let's find out. Let's do the first race, and I'm just gonna shift normally, and in the second race, I may drop the clutch a little harder.
All right, I'm ready to go. I'm not gonna rev it too hard.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, he killed me off the line.
Yes, no spinning.
I bogged down. Oh, he killed me every time I shift. Come on, Corolla. Oh, he's way ahead.
Faster shifting. Yes! Let's go! Oh, that felt good.
That was not grand. Quarter mile, 15.83, 0 to 60. In 8 seconds, a mile above sea level.
That's what I was worried about, Andre. I really bogged it.
I have a decent result, 14.45 quarter mile at a mile above sea level with a 6.3 second 0 to 60.
I was second slower and 8 seconds 0 to 60. So this time I think I'm going to have to punish you and the Corolla a little bit by dropping the clutch at a much higher RPM because you got out of there like a scared rabbit and there was no chance for me to catch up.
Actually, I'm liking these new tires, Roman. I think I'm going to rev it up a little bit higher.
You got grip, huh?
Roman, this car is very shiny, your new GR Corolla, but how much does it cost?
Well, how much does yours cost?
Well, this beautiful specimen, a 1994 Viper, $40,000.
Dang, I'm sitting on a more expensive car. I'm at 48.
Well, this is where the value is. This is the car. Hey, don't touch my grasshopper.
That's where the grasshopper is. He can sit on it. I won't sit on it. But it's amazing that that is actually cheaper than this because Vipers, unlike most classic cars, actually get cheaper as they get older.
Viper wheels and tires are very special because they're very wide and these tires are hard to find. But our friends at Michelin came through. This rear tire is 335, 35, R17 because this wheel is not very big, but it's humongously wide. And these tires are pretty sticky. They're brand new. I'm looking forward to this.
Andre, did you know that the very first Lamborghini Countach actually rolled on 14-inch wheels?
No, get out of here.
Yeah, makes that 17 look huge.
I'm a high roller.
You are. You're a fat roller.
Okay, I click reset again, so I'm ready.
I am ready as well, and this time I'm gonna fry this transmission maybe, but I'm gonna go at it. I'm gonna try it. I won't fry it. I'll just drop it much more, let's say with much more purpose.
I mean, that's what hot hatches and exotic cars are all about, right?
Hell yeah. All right, let's do this.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, I bogged it again.
It's closer.
Come on.
Let's go.
Go, go, come on. I'm speed shifting. Oh,
I can do this. Woohoo! Wow, I feel alive. This car makes me feel alive. Oh, wow.
15s again. 0 to 60 in 7, so a little better, but not great.
Roman, I have news.
What's that, Andre?
I did a 14.19, my best time in the Viper ever.
You get into 13? That would be cool.
No, dude, I'm already growing a chest hair here.
You may be thinking to yourself, I just bought a brand new GR Corolla. I don't need an extended warranty. I have a factory warranty. Well, what happens when that factory warranty runs out? Well, I know. You'll be, you know what? That's why you want to go to our friends at Grainger by clicking on the link below, where you can get peace of mind way beyond the extent of the factory warranty. So this GR Corolla doesn't have launch control.
Otherwise, I would try it. With the manual, I don't know how much that would help.
So as always with the rolling race, we're going to go up to 30 miles an hour, and then I'll count us down, and then we'll take off. Good?
Yes, let me just put my radio closer to me because I'm in an open cockpit here.
But it's a beautiful day, so what a great day to have a convertible.
Sorry, I can pronounce that word, cockpit, but I also don't have any airbags.
ABS, stability control, traction control. I have a stereo.
Don't crash into me.
All right, here we go. Roll race. All right, let's bring it to 30, 29, 30, go! Oh yeah! He's still catching up, but it's much closer. So I kind of jumped, Andre, but you still caught up to me, so I don't think I stand a chance in a regular race.
Yeah, that was very telling. Because like I saw you right next to me, you were a little bit ahead, and then it seems like my torque took me further.
Yeah, you just have too much torque. This car is just a little less. It needs like another 50 torques and 50 horsepower, and then I think it'd be a close race.
There is no such thing as too much torque.
Andre, here's the thing.
Yeah.
If we were on a traditional racetrack, I would have kicked your ass around a corner in the winter, in the ice, driving to work when it's raining because I have a roof. All those times the GR Corolla, it's just in a straight line, it's hard to launch, and it doesn't have enough torque.
All I'm hearing are excuses, really.
Oh,
But no, you're right. Around a proper track like Laguna Seca, you have to have a lot of skill to drive the Viper. The GR Corolla would be more forgiving and also quicker.
yeah, and I tried sport mode, I tried track mode, I tried dropping the clutch, I tried feathering the clutch. It's just a very hard car to drive, or I suck at launching. That could also be it.
No, I mean, you have small displacement, not a lot of torque, but once again, GR Corolla I think shines in the corners.
So now we've had 2 races against hot hatches.
Yes.
The Golf R beat the Viper,
Yes.
but the Viper beat the GR Corolla.
Who's next?
Civic Type R.
Ooh.
Stay tuned. Well, guys, as always, this is Andre
And Roman.
saying thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Ciao.